All praise belongs to Allah, who is the most worthy of praise. Respected chief guest and my dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum. Love does not have eyes, Mr. President. It is blind and makes the doer blind. Dear listeners, let's go back nearly 80 years before from now. This is Lahore. At the time of British Kingdom, a Hindu journalist named Rajpal wrote a book named Rangila Rasool and blasphemed our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Muslim majority of Punjab was fired up. The Muslims of Punjab was just about to burst. In the meanwhile, a very brave Muslim entered the office of Rajpal, attacked him and killed him with his knife. Police arrested him, Mr. President. This was the blind love that Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the very famous lawyer of the country, was following his case. He asked him to say that I was not in my senses at the time of killing. So therefore, I killed him. But love does not possess the glasses of expediency, Mr. President. It was a historical moment that Muhammad Ali Jinnah lost his case for the first time in his career due to this blind lover, because this blind lover announces in that court that I was totally in my senses at the time of killing Rajpal, and I accept that I killed Rajpal, and I am so proud of this act. Mr. President, this was the blind love. Breaking the stones of expediency, he got hung up and the rope, kissing the rope of humility, informing that this was the love for the last Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because it is the condition of our faith, Mr. President. When we look at the history, we will find many examples of the lovers of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When Mirza Ahmad Qadiani declared himself as a prophet of God, the Muslims of the world got fired up. They got angry. Everybody wanted to kill him with their own hands. But due to Khatam-E-Nabuwat, all the Qadianis were declared non-Muslims, showing the love for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The firing of Fatimiyya from the advisory council shows the love for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because it is the condition of our faith. Dear listeners, at last I would like to conclude my speech by saying the love of the last Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and protection of the stamp of Khatam-E-Nabuwat is a measure of our iman. And every one of us should be ready to be killed in the protection of Khatam-E-Nabuwat. Thank you.
सबीन मंडी बहाउद्दीन से आ रही हैं लास्ट पार्टिसिपेंट के तौर पे। उसके बाद ये वाकई ही हमारी लास्ट पार्टिसिपेंट हैं। माशाल्लाह शिरकत बहुत हुई है और पूरे पाकिस्तान से लोग एक जज्बे के तहत आए हैं, और ज़िंदगी के दिनों में से एक दिन ऐसा होता है जब हम बोलते तो हैं लेकिन सुनना पड़ता है, और आज सुनने वाला दिन है और हर लफ्ज़ जो है ये मोतबर है। प्लीज़